Traditional video editing can be a daunting task. It's a time-consuming process, often involving hours of sorting through footage, painstakingly cutting and splicing together clips, and wrestling with complicated software. It's a laborious journey from raw footage to a polished video, and for many, it's a barrier to sharing their story or message effectively. In a world where time is of the essence and creativity is key, there's one tool that stands out from the rest. What is that? You may be asking yourself? Introducing FlexClip.com, your all-in-one solution for creating stunning, professional-quality videos in minutes. Create business-related videos, lifestyle videos, or social media videos. Use a whole array of tools, such as AI text-to-speech, among others, to save you time. Learn video editing, video recording, video marketing, video conversation, and social media. Easily create and edit videos for the brand, marketing, social media, family, and any other purpose. Create videos from templates or from scratch. Trusted by Google, YouTube, Windows, Dropbox, Facebook, and Visa. Start fast with thousands of templates. Level up your video creation with built-in resources. A fantastic collection of text animations, elements, transitions, etc. Thousands of text animations and preset styles. Millions of dynamic vector elements, rich transitions and overlays. More than 4 million royalty-free stock assets. Integrate with resource-rich stock media providers to offer users royalty-free music, high-quality videos, and photos. Speed up video editing workflow with AI tools. FlexClip's AI-powered tools automate tedious editing tasks, making it a breeze to generate subtitles, convert text to lifelike speech, and remove image backgrounds. Explore more to speed up the process of creating compelling videos. Collaborate on video editing and share seamlessly. The cloud-based video solutions allow teams to work closely together on video creation from anywhere. After crafting your video, seamlessly share it via a link or post to social media and beyond. Powerful video tools you need. Video editor. Edit with your heart. Effortlessly cut, trim, and customize a video or search related pro clips for various editing. Movie maker. Make a stunning movie for business, festivals, special events, and social media platforms with great efficiency. Slideshow maker. Easily combine your photos into a fantastic slideshow with music for any occasion. Screen recorder. Capture everything on your screen for free now. Record meetings, games, video tutorials, and more with one click. How to make a video in 3 steps. Step 1. Add media. Add videos or photos from computer or stock libraries. Step 2. Customize. Add text, music, elements, and more to customize your video. Step 3. Export. Export your video, then share it via a link or post to social media platforms. Join millions of global creators who trust FlexClip. Don't let the stress of video editing hold you back. Unleash your creativity with FlexClip. FlexClip, your story made simple. Visit FlexClip.com today and start creating.